Hi friends, my name is Sharan. I am from Nellore district. I have recently completed my intermediate. I am a student of AS Reddy Spoken English, Anglo Agnam campus, Amirpet, Hyderabad. Now I would like to tell about my journey in this institute. When I was joined here, I had a full of stage fear and didn't know how to talk in English. I couldn't even speak one sentence also. I also questioned myself that could I learn in English or not, and also could I learn English without pen and paper? After some days, I understood that I could learn in English. Now I am completely able to speak in English. I also lost my stage fear. Now I have a confidence that I can speak in English with everyone. If you want to speak in English, then come here and join in this institute.
మిస్టర్ ఏఎస్ రెడ్డి గారిచే కలం కాగితం లేకుండా కేవలం 20 రోజుల్లో ఇంగ్లీష్ నేర్చుకుందాం రండి. మరిన్ని వివరాలకు సంప్రదించండి ఏఎస్ రెడ్డిస్ స్పోకెన్ ఇంగ్లీష్.
That's all about my journey in AS Reddy's Spoken English. Thank you.